Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see in operator in SQL. So we will see what is the use of in operator in SQL. So the in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. The in operator is a shorthand for multiple or conditions. Okay, so this is the use of in operator. You can use in operator replace to or value in the SQL query. So let's see the syntax of in operator. So select column names, whatever column name you want to select from table name. Okay, so select, suppose if you want to take all the columns, select star from body details, where column name in and your values. So there is no need to use like where column name is equal to 701, 702 or 703. You can put multiple conditions into a single query. So we will see. So I have one table here, body details. So I will execute this table, select star from body details. Now I have this table. In this table we have four columns: body details, first name, city and specialization, and I have 6 rows. So now we will fetch this column with the help of where body id. Now I will use in operator in this query, where body id in 701 comma 702 comma 1703. Complete the query. So now what this query will actually do, it will fetch only body id where the values in 701, 1702 and 1703. So only these values are in this table. So only these values in operator will be fetched. So now we will execute this query. Execute. As you can see, it will fetch only body IDs whose body IDs is 1701, 1703 and 1703. So likewise, we will fetch, suppose I want the people who lives in Pune and Mumbai. Okay. So now what I will do, I will put the cities where city in Pune and Mumbai, and I will complete this query. So now what this query actually does, it will only shows the people who lives in Pune and Mumbai. I will execute this query. So as you can see, these two peoples and these two body IDs 1701, 1702 is lives in Pune and Mumbai. So this is the use of in operator in SQL. I hope you like it. If you like, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.